Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I am making some mango lemon curd, and the bottle is ready. And I just went to the backyard and got a new lemon. I will show you the lemon, okay? I am away. This time I use a wireless microphone. I think it will be good. Okay, so here is the lemon, fresh lemon. Nothing beats the fresh lemon flavor. I feel so good. I can go so far away to move around, and now I am in another room. I am in the other room. Okay, and do you hear me moving around? It's because I need to move around, and this microphone can allow me to be away from the scene and do my stuff without worrying. And it's a pity that I am only by myself, so I cannot videotaping. Oh, look at it. Videotaping my action and sorry. My action and the cooking together. I do not want to move around too much. Okay, we are finishing up. Now this is the last moment. Turn on the fire stronger, and I get some butter. I need to move around. Oh, sorry. It's a little bit too further away, the butter. I will remember what time. Okay, we are almost good. Okay, it is boiling. Perfect. Perfect. Boiling, but not burning. Okay, turn the fire very slow and put in the butter. One big chunky part. Oh, this one. I will keep it to myself, not throwing it away. Okay, still do it here. Okay, that's good enough. That's a lot of good stuff. So I put lemon zest, and mango puree. I cut the mango and blend it. Use a blender to blend it, so it is smooth. It's okay that you blend it and there is a lot of air bubble in it. Do not worry. With time, it will calm down. So we are good. I will use a plate for it. Oh, it's so good. I'm moving around. I do not know the final result of the sound quality, but at least I can move around. And the pot, I will use it for my yogurt. Okay, now let's take a look. Yeah, that's the fresh passion fruit just fall down from the tree. Okay, good stuff is coming. Ready, set, go. Okay, make myself more comfortable. I don't think I need so many bottles. This quantity, 4 or 5, should be sufficient. Let's give it a try. One. Yes, because there is air, so one drop coming out. That is not. Good. Does not come to the bottle. Focus. Ooh, that's a good one. Ooh. Is this enough for another bottle? Let's give it a try. Okay, I think. Oh my goodness, perfect for another bottle. And that is it. Turn off the fire. This one we can enclose. There is a drop, but it's not inside. This one is absolutely clean. This one is absolutely clean. It becomes so easy once you know what you do, how you do it. It becomes very, very easy. And only when you, I remember the first time I do it. Okay, I am going to another room. When the first time I do it, it is so so stressful, and now it becomes like an absolute relaxation. The total process, preparing the bottle, boiling the bottle, and cooking, and I can even do something on the side. So this is it. So that is the mango lemon curd. Mango lemon curd. I put it on sale on my Etsy shop, and let me show you my pumpkin spice lemon curd. And I also made pumpkin spice lemon curd. So this is the season pumpkin spice lemon curd, pumpkin spice caramel sauce, seafood caramel. What I'm talking about? Sea salt caramel sauce, miso caramel sauce. So the other day I went to a supermarket, and they have miso jam. So that is a jam, or they call it spread, and with plum or with any other fruit, and add in miso. So it's a little bit salty with umami taste, and a little bit salty, and with the richness of flour, beans, the soya bean fermented. It's wonderful, wonderful. So I think I will do something different. So here is one thing I have done. Let me show you where is mine. Chili. Chili, Buddha hand, chili. Yes, chili. So here I have a hint of chili lemon curd. And now I reuse it because, oh, that is done. Because not so many people accept it. So it's not selling out. And I am remaking it. I put soya sauce and some cinnamon, pepper and things, and cook it again, recook it, and it reduce. Of course, you can put some wine, put some stock, put anything you like, and make it into a kind of barbecue sauce, food dipping, and it's just so very good. The other day we eat chicken, so I put this gahamed sauce, chili gahamed sauce, and soya sauce. It's not only sweet, a little bit sweet, a little bit sour. Maybe next time I will put some a miso paste or anything I can think of that make it my own chili. How do I say? Not chili dipping. It's yanghaiying dipping, a unique dipping with all these flavors and a very full round dipping. Anyway, so that is it. Enjoy. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Oh, let me taste a little bit of it. Okay, we will taste it. And at the edge, a little bit caramelizé. And I think that is the best part of it. Don't eat too much. Just a little bit. Oh my. It's edible. Yes, it is edible. Okay, how do I take care of this? It's not enough to make another pot, right? Then we do not make another pot. We do something else.